Namaste everyone. Welcome back to Hind Social. Today we are here at Palladium Mall to ask strangers some truth and dares. So let's go. हाय, आपका नाम क्या है?
केना शाह.
हाय केना, मैं आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहती हूँ कि क्या इंडिया के पास खुद का एक प्लेटफॉर्म होना चाहिए या नहीं?
I feel like that the platform which we already have, the Western ones, they are good. Like उनके पास features बहुत सारे हैं, but when we were young, our parents wouldn't let us use that क्योंकि safety issues in Western culture is not always a good influence. But I feel like कि अगर कोई Indian platform बना रहा है, then I think they can like make various safety features, as in like allowing the like let's say if kids are using it because teenagers are at this point. So let's say some features like not allowing a certain kind of content. Then you can say कि if they are teenagers, then not allowing such kind of influencers which are not very like family friendly. I know such मतलब ऐसे बहुत सारे apps हैं जिसमें this thing exists, but I feel like if it's India specific, it would be great because we have a big population, and I think if we want to make something work, we can make it work. So I definitely think we should have a platform. And since I do not have much of a tech knowledge, so I cannot tell you कि specific कौन से features होने चाहिए या नहीं. But I just feel कि इंडिया का खुद का एक app होना चाहिए. That is which is like ours to say, not like बाहर का नहीं है जो, क्योंकि बाहर की मीडिया से हम ऑलरेडी बहुत इन्फ्लुएंस हो चुके हैं, that we have forgotten our traditions, our own culture. So that's why I feel like it's important. It's just my opinion.
It's awesome. Your reply was like it's on top.
If it's something for the benefit of the people, like if we are keeping the data in the country, then I think it would be beneficial.
So right now I only see the plus point as data privacy, and the other things are very vague and ambiguous right now for me. So होना तो चाहिए, but I don't know what's the scope. आप एक ही platform में सब कुछ मिला के दिखा रहे हो, and if it converge into a platform like even if it's a super app and everything, in India people are already going through like ADHD and they are looking at so many things at one time. So I think you should make a super app but have small app for it. Once you have a lot of steps into your apps, people lose interest in it. So if you create a super app altogether, लोग बोर हो जाएंगे, कहाँ तक ढूंढेंगे ना. So if it's better कि max 3 steps, there's a 3 or 4 step rule basically in designing, so you can use that.
Or maybe you could like figure out the gaps. Ki what are the important features like by testing out that should actually and would make a difference. Like if we mixing sab kuch would be too complicated.
Okay, thank you so much.
Privacy concerns like safety of privacy and like child safety measures, like above 18 there should be other safety measures, and below 18 there should be some child locks type of stuff so that they cannot explore social media, like an adult. So yeah.
They actually do have one 4+ app which is Hind Social. We are Hind Social, so you can check that out.
I would say કે હોવું જોઈએ, લાઈક આપણે અગર કમ્પેરેટિવલી કરીએ કે અધર કન્ટ્રીમાં બધું ડિજિટલાઇઝ થઈ ગયું છે અને અત્યારે આપણે ધીમે ધીમે પ્રોગ્રેસ કરી રહ્યા છે, તો હોવું જોઈએ. અને અકોર્ડિંગ કેવું કે અગર કલ્ચરલ પ્રોગ્રામ કે એવી રીતની વાત કરીએ તો લાઈક એમાં બી છે ને આપણે થોડુંક આગળ કરવું જોઈએ ડિજિટલાઇઝ.
Thank you.
मुझे नहीं लगता, बिकॉज मुझे लगता है कि इंडिया से वो मैनेज नहीं हो पाएगा एट दिस पॉइंट.
Well, hi, we are doing social survey and we wanted to know your own thoughts. It's 3 hours 39 minutes.
Only great.
Only.
It's because we are in here, so even she is free.
Yeah. Otherwise, it's like 30 to 35 minutes max a day. But now we are in film, so even time like okay, you have fun.
Also,
Just great. Okay. I'm home.